The Teach Like a Champion technique without apology is about making sure that teachers are not apologizing for teaching boring or unimportant content. This is a lot more common in core academic classes where teachers are forced to teach state standards they do not feel are interesting or important. Luckily, in more states and districts, music teachers are given more autonomy in their classrooms. However, music teachers can still fall into the trap of apologizing for teaching certain content. Here's one example. I know this is not the most interesting thing to play, but we have to learn these scales so you can do well at your all-district auditions. Most students are not going to enjoy playing scales, arpeggios, and other technical exercises right away. This is why it is so important that teachers do not apologize for going over them during rehearsals, but instead show excitement. That excitement will eventually transfer to the students. Also, explaining why the scales, arpeggios, etc. are important will help the students to get excited about playing and practicing them. All right. Now we get to spend 10 minutes working on our scales for all district auditions. Not only will this help you do better on your audition, but all of the music we play is built off of these scales, so if you memorize and internalize them, everything else will be much easier for you to play. Here is another example of where we might see without apology used in the music classroom. Okay, everyone, I know this is easy and boring to play, but we have to work on pomp and circumstance because the principal wants us to play at graduation next week. Sometimes music teachers are forced to rehearse music they don't want to, but have to for a particular event. Even if this might be taking away from valuable rehearsal time that the teacher wants to spend on a different piece, it is important not to portray a lack of enthusiasm to the students. If you do, they will not be as excited and it will lower their expectations on how well they need to play it. An ideal, without apology response to this situation is focus on the positives of a situation and challenge the students while performing the piece. Okay, we are going to play Pomp and Circumstance now. This will be a great opportunity to play for hundreds of people at graduation that haven't heard you all perform before. We are going to sight read it now. As we are playing through it, I want each of you to see if you can sight read through the entire piece without missing a note or rhythm. Here we go. Even though this piece might not be challenging for the group, this response by the music teacher